Hi everyone, how's it going? In this quick English lesson, we're going to look at the phrasal verb to count on. We're going to study the meaning and the form. So let's get started with the meaning. As always, I'm going to tell you a quick sample sentence with this phrasal verb, and it's your job to listen and try to guess the meaning. Okay, let's go. I can always count on my friends to be there for me when I'm not feeling so good. So, what do you think this means? Well, to count on means to trust or depend on someone. So, in my example, I said that I count on my friends to be there for me. That just means that I trust and depend on my friends. So that's the meaning. But remember, just like with other phrasal verbs, to count on is a more informal way of saying depend on or trust. Okay, so that's the meaning. Now let's take a look at the form so you know how to use this phrasal verb correctly in sentences. The first and most important thing you need to know is that this is a transitive phrasal verb. That means you must use an object with it. So you always count on someone. That someone is the object and you need to mention it. The next thing you need to know is that this is a non-separable phrasal verb. That means you cannot separate the verb and the particle with an object. The object has to come after the phrasal verb, just like this. I count on my friends. Here are 3 more sample sentences with the phrasal verb count on. Number 1. The whole team was counting on me, but I let them down. Number 2. You can always count on Chris for good advice. Number 3. Tottenham always count on Heung-min Son to play well and score lots of goals. That's it. I hope this video helped you. But now it's your turn. I want you to make your own sentence with this phrasal verb, so leave it below in the comments and I'll check. See you!